probably got domestic violence. I ain't even touched. So I'm gonna lose some battle right here.
Gotta follow this guy, man. This guy.
Give me that. Turn it off for me. Turn it off for me. Business though. This bitch fuck with that motherfucker, man.
Man, I told you she was gonna come over there. I told you that.
I got Jim on you. I think you jinxing me, motherfucker. I don't know what the fuck you doing.
The little bitch.
He say the shit.
The little bitch want a piece of me too, nigga.
Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys giving me a little bit of your time. Today, I got my daughter's vehicle here. Has a check engine light code. EGR valve insufficient. That means it's stopped up. Now, I done last year. I took it off and I cleared it out. Blew it out, cleaned it out, and she was able to pass inspection. But this year, I'm making a change it because I'm tired of taking it off and then putting it back on, okay? So, this is what we got. We got an EGR valve replacement on a 2010 09. What's this, Don?
09 V6.
V6, what's
Ford Escape.
Ford Escape. There you go. Y'all got it. Okay.
How you take this off, Daddy?
My man.
So you can get close.
My man, oh yeah, do move the camera, but that's good. My man, Mr. Steve-O. You know, my partner, he showed up today. You know, the #1 shit talker in town. He's here today, and he's got an interview with the champ. The champ will be here, Steve-O, your man.
The champ.
The champ will be here. Shit. Huh? Steve-O, you still hate that man after goddamn 20 years now. He done knocked out every damn body you put in front of him now. He's the champ.
He's a murder.
The champ's a murder. Now, if you seen the champ like I seen him yesterday, the champ can be beat. You understand me? He ain't doing too good, Steve-O.
No.
He can be beat. Okay? What you got?
So, Steve-O, what you doing right there?
It's taking off the EGR valve too. It's a big boat, probably an inch and a quarter or something like that. That has to come off first. Yeah, matter of fact, I can show you better than I can tell you.
Why did it go off?
It's still recording. That's to save the battery. Move your hand back for a minute. Just tap on that little red button right there. See? And bring it back. See, look, still recording. Mm-hmm. He's taking the boat off that goes here. It's a big round boat. That's got to come off before these two boats come off, because if you take these two off and then try to take this off, it's going to be wobbling. You won't be. You need this to stay stationary. And it'll be harder to
get there to that other boat.
Right. You need it to be stationary, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what he's doing. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. When we get it off and replace the other one, we'll show you the process that you have to go through to do that. Because that boat.
Which way am I going?
This back that way.
Now, this one is a little rusty, so he's going to have a little hard time with it, but he's going to get it off.
Yeah, it's big time rusty.
Yeah, it's big time. On hook. On hook.
Oh, you done got caught.
Okay, guys. Running across, the problem that you're going to run across is getting that big nut that I showed you guys previously, which is right up under here. This one right here with my hand in, okay? That one. Man, that thing is tough, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take these two bolts off right here, okay, on both sides, and let the EGR valve hang over this way some, where we can get something to hold this. Something to hold the EGR valve while we break the nut loose, okay? Because it's putting too much pressure on these plastic tabs they got here. Now, we greased this thing yesterday, okay, to see if we can get it broke loose, because I knew it was going to be a beat. I just knew that. There's no way around it. It's been on there ever since the car was designed. Even that one down there at the bottom. That's a tough one. See how they look? See how it look? That's what you're dealing with. Now, I'm trying to get him to see if he can take this one off, and then we'll take the whole unit off. So hang tight, man. Let me see if I can get something on that. Okay, guys, we had a little intermission here. We back though. Now, these EGR valve boats, man, this boat back here, you see this boat here? Man, that thing was like nightmare past Am Street. You know what I'm talking about? This boat was a B. Now, Steve, what you need to do, you need to go and tighten that one back up, snug that one back up down on the bottom so it won't be wobbling around, okay?
But we're going to have to make sure we get this damn thing where it's supposed to be, though, before we damn do that.
That's right. I know that. That's not what I'm not saying right now. Okay, now we're ready to assemble the new EGR valve. The old one is off, which is here. All right. On these electronic EGR valves, one of the things I learned over the years, man, is that these sensors here at the top is more of like a little plunger. It controls a baffle inside that thing there. It opens and closes. And the sensor, the electrical connection in the sensor could be the one that's going out that's causing it to fail. So cleaning it out sometimes works, but not in all cases. So this is how you change a EGR valve and a 2010 Ford Escape V6 engine. Hey man, if you feel that this video was helpful, which I knew it had to be, please subscribe to the channel, man, so you can get many more like this. Hit that like button and share. Let somebody know OG done put another one down.
Daddy, don't put that in there. Do not put that in there.